You're back. Well, welcome back to another video. So, what I have for you today, this is an American lock. This particular one, I think I read it's assembled in Mexico and it's completely shrouded. I really liked it. It's a Series 5300. Manufacturing date is SNM, and if my memory serves me fine, this is I think June, July 2012. Works beautifully. Incredible spring tension, and I mean this is so big. But yeah, works quite well, and I think it's not bad either. So let's have a look if it will decide to open for me tonight. So starting from the front, one did move, but I don't know if it's set. 2 and 3 nothing. I think that's 6, 5. Okay, that was a click from number 4, I think. That was 2. So 1 seems to be set. 3 seems to be quiet. Number 1, I think, now wants to be picked. That was 2. Okay, and then we have it. It's open. Oh, the spring tension. Let's see if I broke my tension wrench. No, still whole. Okay, then I need to take my pinning kit and I'll be back in a second. So there is some green oxidation on the core. Good thing, so I can clean it and I can reassemble it properly afterwards. So the key is this one, and obviously I did not get my followers. Be right back. Let's see then, so I will put it like that. Pins will be here, that should be fine, I hope. Good. So, fortunately is only a 5-pin lock, which is a pity because there is a hole for the 6th pin, but never mind. So starting with 1 serrated, 2 serrated, 3 also serrated, 4 serrated, and 5. So all of them are serrated. The core, standard American core, nothing special. Very nice one. So let's have a look what's here. So starting with pin 1, serrated spool, weak spring, a serrated pin, very nice one. Another serrated spool. Whoops, completely serrated pin, beautiful one. And the last one, number 5, is a flyaway pin. It's another spool. Springs, weak springs, I would probably change and add a little bit more jump to them. That would make, with the spring of the core, that would make a really decent lock, I would say. Beautiful lock. So I'll arrange these pins and I'll give you a close-up in just a moment. Good. So, as a close-up of the pins, beautiful serrated pins, 3 spools, 2 serrated driver pins and key pins, all serrated. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I find this American actually to be quite nice. So, yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.